Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to send dogs from Telegram wallet to Bybit. So first you just have to open your Telegram wallet here and then you have to click this wallet. It will show you your Telegram wallet and this is what it looks like. Now what you're going to do here is you have to scroll down and tap this more assets, look for dogs. Okay, so as you can see, there's on coin, not coin, but you have to click dogs right here below not coin. So once you tap that one, then you will see this and all you have to do is to click send. Now it will give you options, choose how to send dogs. So for this tutorial, let's choose this external wallet right here. So tap external wallet. And then after that, you will see this. You need the dog's address or domain to paste here. So what we're going to do now is we have to exit this Telegram wallet first, and then we have to open our Bybit. This time you have to go to assets and then tap deposit. Now click deposit crypto, tap this one. And then here, go to the search bar and look for dogs. Type dogs, click, and you should see this. Now choose a chain type. For example, for this tutorial, we're going to choose ton. Once you tap this one, and then your ton address. Now you will be notified on how are you going to use this one. So you have to ensure a seamless deposit experience. Please ensure that you use both a deposit address, deposit memo tag when making a deposit. So once done, all you have to do is to click OK. Now you will see here wallet address, tag memo. These are both very important. Now you need to copy this wallet address and then you need to go back to Telegram wallet, paste that right here and then click continue. Now you need to enter the amount or the dogs that you want to enter here, but you have to make sure that you have also enough withdrawal fee. Okay, so you don't need to put all here. So after you have done entered the amount that deposit, all you have to do is to click continue. And then once you tap continue, then you should see this and it needs the comment and tag memo. So in order for you to get that, of course, you need to go to Bybit and then copy the comment tag or memo there. Copy this tag memo here, click this one, and then go back to your Telegram wallet. Paste, then confirm and send and wait for a couple of seconds. Then you will see this one, dog sent. Your transaction is being processed and will be completed soon. Okay, so click done, go to your Bybit, and see if you have added the amount that you have transferred from your Telegram wallet to your Bybit. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. If you want us to create another tutorial, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.